Welcome to our module on deployment and DevOps, where we will explore modern software delivery practices. Our goal is to master application hosting, cloud platforms, and automation for efficient development workflows. Today, we will dive into understanding how to host applications effectively on Linux servers, a crucial skill for deployment. These servers provide reliable, secure, and open source solutions, making them a popular choice for many web applications. First, let us define web hosting, which essentially involves making your application available online. It is the process of deploying your applications onto dedicated servers, preparing them for public access. This deployment ensures that your application can be easily accessed by users from anywhere over the internet. Linux servers are highly favored because they inherently offer excellent reliability and robust security features for your applications. Now, let us consider some of the key benefits that make Linux servers an ideal choice for hosting. Linux provides high performance and excellent scalability, allowing your applications to grow with demand efficiently. You also benefit from its robust security features, which are critical for protecting your application and data. Being open source, Linux is also very cost-effective, providing powerful hosting solutions without high licensing fees. Let us look at some of the most common Linux distributions that are frequently used for hosting applications. Ubuntu Server is known for being user-friendly and is widely supported, making it a great starting point. CentOS and Alma Linux are excellent choices for enterprise-level hosting, offering stability and long-term support. Debian, on the other hand, is highly regarded for its stability and minimalist design, ideal for specific needs. Let us now discuss the essential server preparation steps for a secure and up-to-date hosting environment. These steps are crucial for setting up your server correctly before deploying any applications. First, it is important to always update your server software and packages. Updating ensures enhanced security and provides access to the very latest software packages. Next, we recommend creating a non-root user for daily operations. This practice significantly enhances security by limiting user privileges on the server. Then, you should configure SSH access for secure remote connections. Setting up SSH keys provides a more secure and convenient way to log in. Finally, remember to install all the essential tools required for server management. These utilities are necessary for efficient administration and smooth operation of your server. Today, we are setting up our LAMP stack components, focusing on web servers and PHP. We will cover the specific commands needed for installing Apache, Nginx, and PHP. First, let's install the Apache web server on your Ubuntu or Debian system. This command installs Apache 2, then starts and enables the service to run automatically. Alternatively, you can install the Nginx web server on your Ubuntu or Debian system. This command installs Nginx, starts its service, and enables it to begin automatically. Lastly, we will install PHP and the MySQL module specifically for Apache integration. This command installs PHP, the Apache PHP module, and the PHP MySQL extension. Let us explore the many advantages of cloud hosting for your applications. Cloud hosting offers flexible, scalable, and cost-effective infrastructure solutions for various projects. First, scalability allows you to easily adjust your server resources as demand changes. This means you can scale resources up or down, ensuring optimal performance. Cloud hosting is also highly cost-effective as you only pay for the resources you actually consume. This pay-as-you-go model helps optimize your budget and reduce unnecessary expenses. High availability is another key benefit, with redundant infrastructure minimizing potential downtime. Your applications remain accessible, even if one component experiences an issue. Cloud platforms also offer global reach, letting you deploy applications closer to your users. This proximity can significantly improve application performance and user experience. Finally, cloud hosting provides immense flexibility, supporting diverse operating systems and tools. You can choose the environment that best fits your application's specific requirements. Today, we will compare two prominent cloud platforms, AWS and DigitalOcean, for hosting your applications. Understanding their differences will help you choose the ideal environment tailored to your specific project needs. Let us begin by examining various features that are crucial when selecting a cloud hosting provider. First, we consider the ease of use, which refers to how simple it is to set up and manage services. Next, we will look at the pricing models, comparing how each platform charges for its cloud resources. Then, we will analyze the scalability, which describes how easily resources can be adjusted based on demand. We will also compare their managed services, referring to the level of support and automation provided. Finally, we will determine which type of project each platform is best suited for, considering their strengths. Now, let us examine AWS, Amazon Web Services, a comprehensive cloud platform with extensive offerings. AWS can be quite complex for beginners due to its vast array of services and configuration options. Its pricing is a pay-as-you-go model, which can become complex to estimate due to many variables. AWS is known for being highly scalable, offering robust solutions that can grow with virtually any demand. It provides an extensive range of managed services, covering almost every conceivable need for cloud infrastructure. Therefore, AWS is best suited for large-scale enterprise projects requiring maximum flexibility and power. Next, we turn our attention to DigitalOcean, a cloud provider known for its developer-friendly approach. DigitalOcean is notably more beginner-friendly, with a simpler interface and straightforward setup processes. Its pricing model is transparent and flat rate, making it much easier to predict your monthly hosting costs. While scalable, DigitalOcean offers less extensive scaling capabilities compared to the immense power of AWS. DigitalOcean focuses on simplicity, offering key managed services that are easy to understand and implement. It is ideal for startups and mid-sized projects that prioritize ease of use and predictable cost structures. Today, we are focusing on understanding different DNS record types. These records are essential for directing internet traffic accurately to your applications. First, we have the A record, a fundamental DNS entry. This record maps a domain name, like example.com, to an IPv4 address. Next, there is the AAAA record, which serves a similar purpose. This record maps a domain name to an IPv6 address. The CNAME record is another important type of DNS entry. This record essentially creates an alias, pointing one domain name to another. Then, we have the MX record, which is specifically for email services. An MX record directs emails for your domain to the correct mail server. Finally, the TXT record is a versatile DNS entry. TXT records are used to store text data, often for domain verification purposes. In this section, we will cover securing your domain with SSL/TLS. We will learn how to install and generate certificates using the certbot tool. First, let us install certbot specifically for the Apache web server. This command installs certbot along with its Apache plugin, simplifying setup. Alternatively, you can install certbot if you are using the Nginx web server. This command installs certbot and its Nginx plugin to manage SSL certificates. Now, let's generate an SSL certificate for your Apache domain. This command uses certbot with Apache to secure example.com and www.example.com. Today, we are examining the CI/CD pipeline stages for software delivery. These stages automate software delivery, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your workflow. The first stage is source code management, which is foundational to CI/CD. Here, we use Git with platforms like GitHub or GitLab for version control. This practice helps manage all code changes and maintains different versions of your project. Next, we move into the build stage of the CI/CD pipeline. This involves installing application dependencies, for example, using Composer for PHP projects. In this stage, the application is also built if that step is required for your project. Following the build stage, we enter the crucial test stage. Here, you run unit and integration tests, often using tools like PHP Unit. Automated testing helps identify and resolve issues early in the development cycle. After successful testing, the process moves to the deployment stage. This involves deploying the application to either a staging or a production environment. Tools such as rsync, SCP, or Ansible are commonly used for automated deployment. Finally, we have the post-deployment checks, an important last step. These checks involve performing health checks on the newly deployed application to ensure functionality. It is also vital to monitor logs for any immediate errors that may arise after deployment. We are now discussing application monitoring and error tracking for stability and performance. We will explore key tools and practices to ensure your applications run smoothly. Let us begin by implementing the Sentry SDK for error tracking. The Sentry init function initializes the Sentry SDK, requiring a DSN for project connection. This PHP code snippet shows how to initialize Sentry and capture any exceptions that occur. Next, we'll look at centralized logging using the ELK stack. The ELK stack provides robust centralized logging with Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. These commands install Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, then start and enable their services. To summarize, we have covered essential concepts for successful deployment and DevOps practices. These takeaways highlight the crucial elements for building and maintaining robust applications. Linux servers are indeed a preferred choice, providing reliable and stable application hosting environments. Cloud platforms like AWS and DigitalOcean offer infrastructure that is both scalable and flexible. DNS configuration is absolutely crucial for correctly mapping your custom domains to server IP addresses. Implementing HTTPS with SSL/TLS secures data transmission and builds user trust. CI/CD pipelines automate builds, tests, and deployments, enhancing overall efficiency. Finally, application monitoring and error tracking are vital for ensuring stability and optimal performance.